had the opportunity of giving PPEs, food, masks, and other things to the people of Kakamega, some of them who are displaced by floods. They are currently residing at primary schools. I did so to 7 primary schools where people were staying without any interference from the police. But when I reached the 8th primary school in Shinyalu, by the name of Munyanda Primary School, on the 6th of June, hell broke loose. Tear gas was thrown at angry people who were receiving that support from me at that particular time. Women fell down, were physically injured. We've taken them to hospital. For the modern youth, their motorbikes were destroyed and some confiscated by the police. All this is because the previous day, the governor of Kakamega, Oparanya, and the Minister for Devolution, Gideon Moi, had had at Kakamega Airstrip political challenges from members of the public. So instead of the police allowing these very experienced politicians to sort out their political problems with their people, the police waded in and decided to solve their political problems on their behalf. And they did so by attacking me when I was distributing the above things to hungry people from my community. I want to appeal to the Inspector of Police to ensure that the police is not misused to do political agenda for politicians who are having political problems with the voters. Number 2, we would like to urge the Inspector of Police to realize that under the new constitution, he does not work under the direction of anybody else, not even the president. And for that matter, he must stop persecuting me. I am being persecuted for the reason that I have chosen a stand not to agree with Atwoli, not to agree with Raila, not to agree with Eugene Wamalwa, who want to force me to support either a Zion from the Kenyatta or the Jaramogi or the Moi family for purposes of presidential election 2022. They are not happy that I've chosen to support a neighbor who happens to be a son of a nobody, and because I'm also a son of a peasant like him, I have decided that I would rather I associate with them. So if my mistake here is that I'm supporting Deputy President for the reasons that I've said, may the public help me in enjoying that particular freedom and also protect me when the police chooses to use the instruments at their disposal to deal with me. I want to thank the people of Kakamega in general and Malinya in particular for standing with me during this 1 week that is so difficult.